Hello students, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are discussing 7th class mathematics assignment number 56 related to the topic number system. Right, here is the first question. The greatest among root 3, cube root 3 and fourth root 3. Right, how to find which one is the greatest? If these three are of the same order, then easily we can find which one is the greatest, which one is the smaller one. So we are trying to convert all these three surds on same order, right? So here 3 power 1 by 2 and 3 power 1 by 3 comma 3 power 1 by 4. 3 power 1 by 4. Now what is the LCM of these 2 comma 3 comma 4? LCM of 2 comma 3 comma 4 is equal to 12, right? So we convert all these three sorts of order 12. So for that we take 12th root of 3 power 6. 12th root of 3 power 6. Again this can be written as 12th root of 3 power 4. Again this can be written as 12th root of 3 cube. 12th root of 3 cube. So in these three, which one is the greatest? All are same order, right? So this one is the greatest. This is nothing but root 3. So root 3 is the greatest one of these three sorts. So 4 is the correct answer. Now coming to the next one, the greatest among cube root of 3 comma fourth root of 5. Cube root of 3 and fourth root of 5. Now we convert all these through. This is the sword of order 3 and this is the sword of order 4. Now convert these two into same order. So order 3, order 4, right? What is the LCM of 3 and 4? 12. So cube root of 3 is nothing but 12th root of 3 power 4. 12th root of 3 power 4 and fourth root of 5 is nothing but 12th root of 5 cube. 12th root of 5 cube. So that is equal to 3 power 4 means 12th root of 81 and 12th root of 125. Which one is the greatest? So fourth root of 5 is the greatest. For this the answer is yes, right? For this A the answer is yes. Next we take B. What is B? The greatest among cube root 3 and fourth root 4. Again this order of this third is 3, order of the third is 4. So LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So this cube root of 3 can be written as 12th root of 3 power 4. That is nothing but 12th root of 81. 12th root of 81. Now fourth root of 4, that is nothing but 12th root of 4 cube, that is equal to 12th root of 64, right? So which one is the greatest one? This one is the greatest one. So cube root of 3 is the greatest one. So cube root of 3 means which option? P, right? So for this B, P is the correct answer. Now coming to the next one for C option, the least among cube root of 3, cube root of 4. So same order, right? These two are same order. Obviously which one is the greatest? This 4 is the greatest value. So value of this is greatest and cube root of 3 is smallest. So for this here P is the smallest one, least among these two, right? Here also fourth root of 3 comma sixth root of 10. So order of this third is 4 and order of this third is 6. So LCM of 4 comma 6. So 2, 2, 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 12th order. So fourth root of 3 is nothing but 12th root of 3 cube, that is equal to 12th root of 27. And 6th root of 10 is nothing but 12th root of 10 square, that is equal to 12th root of 100. 12th root of 100. So least among this one means fourth root of 3 is the least one. So for this answer R is the correct answer. So S, P, P, R are the correct for this matrix matching. Next one, if x is equal to 8th root of 7, y is equal to 4th root of 7 and z is equal to square root of 7, then the ascending order of the variables is ascending order. So x is equal to 8th root of 7, 8th root of 7. So y is equal to 4th root of 7. This can be written as 8th root of 7 square. 8th root of 7 square, that is 8th root of 49. 8th root of 49. Next, z is equal to square root of 7, that is equal to 8th root of 7 power 4, that is equal to 8th root of 49 into 49. Now he is asking ascending order of the variables. Which one is the smallest? X is small one. Next y, after z. So x is less than, y is less than z. So the correct answer is x, y, z. Option 2 is the correct answer, right? Coming to the next one. Which of the following are in ascending order? Which of the following are in ascending order? Here this one is 4th root of 5, cube root of 4, 4th root of 7. So here take up 4th root 4, order of this third is 4 and this one is 3 and fourth one is 4. So LCM is 12. You convert all these thirds of order 12. So 4th root of 5 is equal to 12th root of 5 cube, that is equal to 12th root of 125. 12th root of 125. Next, cube root of 4 is equal to 12th root of 4 power 4, that is equal to 12th root of 256. Next, 4th root of 7 is equal to 12th root of 7 cube, that is equal to 12th root of 49 into 7, right? 63, 6, 28, 28 plus 6, 34, 343. Now which of the following in ascending order? Ascending order means 4 root 5, cube root 4 and 4th root 7. So option 1 is the ascending order. These three sources are in ascending order. So the correct answer is option 1, right? Correct answer is option 1. 4th root of 5, comma, cube root of 4, comma, 4th root of 7. Thank you students. Stay home, stay safe.